Hola ducklings, and welcome to Tashi's Treats. In this episode we're going to be making dessert. How does peach cobbler sound to y'all? Everyone loves peach cobbler. So when I was doing my very thrifty shopping, my let's eat for a week on $30 per person shopping, if you're still following the plan, we're still doing it. This is the dessert for our lovely Friday night dinner. So here we have, for $1, I was able to get some dented cans that they're not spoiled in any way. They're just dented. They cost me $1 to get cans of fried peaches. And these actually are quite delicious. And it makes my life a little bit easier when it comes to making a cobbler. So we're just going to take our fried peaches and we're going to dump them in here. There we go. Lovely. And to this, we are going to add a little bit of almond extract. Now you could use fresh peaches if you have fresh peaches or if you find them inexpensively. It is still springtime here in Ohio and most of our delicious fruits and vegetables are either frozen or come in a can, and these were for $1. And I really I can make something yummy, yummy, yummy with this. So that's what we're choosing to do today. So I have my peaches all lovely inside my bowl. You can smell the almond extract mixed in with the peaches, which I think personally is a bit of a delight. They're a very light syrup, and these are called fried peaches, but you could use any canned peaches that you get inexpensively. We're going to add, now this is all-purpose baking mix, meaning it is flour that already has a leavening ingredients in it, like baking powder or baking soda. You can make your own. You can also use self-rising flour for this and add just a little bit of baking soda or baking powder, depending on how puffy you want it to be. Now to this, I'm going to first add my sugar and cinnamon. This is delicious cinnamon. It is Vietnamese cinnamon, and it's just the world to me. It really is my thing right now. I'm putting it in everything. And that's okay, because even in savory foods, a really good true cinnamon is a delight. Now, since there is already liquid in this, I'm not going to make this super wet because I kind of want to balance out the liquid that's in this peach with the liquid that goes into here. I'm going to want this to be dry so it absorbs the liquid inside this. So we're going to add just a bit of milk. Just enough to kind of get it going. I'm going to say 1/3 cup. That's what I measured out into this, and I think that's actually going to be about the appropriate amount. As you can see, it's just getting kind of like crummy. And believe it or not, that is going to be delicious. When it gets all crummy all the way around, you can see when I push it with my spatula, it kind of firms up a bit, but it still has a bit of a crumble to it. That's what you want. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to sprinkle it all along the top. And it's going to absorb from the bottom. The top's going to get all nice and lovely. and we'll see how it comes out in the end. This is going to be my $2 peach cobbler. And I'll be back to you as soon as I pull it out of the oven. It's going to be going in at 425.